Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So yes, Halloween is pretty much I'm probably gonna be uploading this one. Halloween might have already passed or is just about to happen. But I actually didn't really feel like getting a full-fledged costume this year. But I did have some events I needed to attend, like a last-minute Zoom happy hour. So I was thinking and trying to figure out a way to still show spirit. So I looked on Pinterest, found so many great ideas. Pinterest is such a great place to see how creative everyone is. And one of them was these like spiderweb eyes. And I was totally inspired. I loved it, thought it was so creative. And at the same time, it's kind of chic. Would you not agree? It's kind of like grungy, smoky. But anyhow, this is the look I came up with. And before I dive in, a special hello from my super cute Squishmallow, which I feel like flashing all the time until fall is over and Christmas is in full swing. But anyways, Delindy says hi. But yeah, if you want to see this super quick and easy look, I literally just put this together like an hour before the Zoom happy hour. Then stay tuned and watch this, let's just call it the lazy girl's guide to being spirited and dressed up for Halloween. Yeah, stay tuned and watch the tutorial. Okay, so first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And after that, I am going to go ahead and take an angled brush, go in with the palette I'm using today, which is the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. And I am going to go in with Pull Under Pressure and just kind of sketch out the angle at which I'm going to be placing the tape. And I'm going to go ahead and first apply a foundational base shade all over the lid of its cashmere. What I'm going to go for today is a gunmetal gray type smoky eye. So I'm going to first shade the outer edges with Pull Under Pressure. So I can really smooth it out. And then for the inner corners to half of the lid, I'm going to go in with Silver Spoon. It's just like, it's actually really creamy, has a creamy consistency, and it creates that gunmetal gray type look. I'm just going to kind of mix those two colors or blend them together. Personally, like adding a bit of glitter to the look. Like it's super appropriate because Halloween's all about kind of going ham. So I'm going to go in with Diamonds for Breakfast and just apply that over the gunmetal gray area. Okay, I think that looks about good. Going to go ahead and highlight the brow bone in the inner corners with Fletcher Pearls. Take my liquid liner, so I'm using the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Lining Pen, and I'm just going to draw an extended wing. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape from both sides I'm going to fix up the wings a bit and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I fixed the wings. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some colors to the lower lash line. So this is kind of random, but I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Christmas Coffee palette because there is a rather pretty red shade in here and I kind of want to add some sinister vibes to this look. So this is actually Candy Cane Latte, and yes, it's going to be a little bit weird because my lids will end up smelling like Christmas when it's actually not. And then I'm going to go over that with some of the Silver Spoon and Coal Under Pressure shades because I want to add, I want to make it darker. And then now I'm actually going to go ahead and move on to popping on my falsies. So using one of my tried and true favorite falsies, which is the Idole Natural Lashes. Okay, so before I start working on the spiderweb, which is kind of like the crux of this look, I'm going to first do all the other prep work, which is dusting on some blush and some highlighter. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush Blush. Then I'm going to dust on the highlighter. So using my, I don't know which this one's called, but I'll look it up and put it in the description box. I'll start drawing the web. So I'm not that skilled artistically. I'm going to use an angle brush, going with Coal Under Pressure, and just try my best. So I'm actually going to do like a one at an angle. I'm going to take my Kat Von D liner and just trace over it. And then I'm going to go ahead and trace over that with my glitter liner. I'm going to go ahead and draw kind of like a little box thing going. Apply some mascara to the lower lash line. I'm now going to go ahead and apply some lipstick. I wish I had black lipstick because that would be super appropriate. but I'll just have to do with my deepest shade, which is the Too Faced Sweet Maple one. I'm going to layer lip gloss over it. There you have it. This is the finished look. Hopefully it's somewhat sinister and spirited. And it's a great kind of lazy girl's guide to a last minute Halloween makeup look, especially if you need to hop onto some sort of festive Zoom happy hour at the last minute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, got inspired, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye!